Welcome back to the Olmsted Workshop. Today we're making a cat hammock using wine barrel staves. Unfortunately, I lost a good portion of the video recordings, but hopefully there's enough here to follow along. I started by sanding all my staves nice and smooth and finding a nice balance point for them as seen. I then drilled through holes through the bottom support staves and a stopped hole through the top arm staves. That way I could use a dowel to connect them. I then drilled stopped holes in my bottom support legs to connect them with a copper pipe stretcher. I also sanded the copper pipe up to 220 with my random orbital sander to give it a kind of cool texture and disperse the light. I applied a few coats of boiled linseed oil and then used Johnson's paste wax to give it a nice durable finish. I did this portion under very strict supervision. I had this hammock already from a previous version of this build, and I did not use any sewing materials. I just used iron and hem tape to create the edges and then hammered in a grommet by hand. I tied 4 paracord loops that I could feed through the grommet and attach to the staves by the notches that were used originally to hold the barrel lid in place, similar to a bowstring. And just like that, after a full day of building, it's complete, and I've got a couple of happy critters. So once again, thanks for stopping by the Olmsted Workshop, and I hope to see you again next time.